Okay, let's put on. We are gonna watch Seinfeld on DVD. Oh, what's that noise? What's that noise? What's that noise? What's that noise? Ow! I told you! Are we going in here? We pressed the Seinfeld button. That's the name of a show. Let's go to the original pilot episode. Oh, the FBI warning. Oh no. I want to watch a show right now. Oh no, another warning. I don't want that. Well, we gotta continue. Why are there so many ads? Why is this in a different language? This is not good.
Do you know what this is all about? Do you know why we're here?
Why is this is not the theme song for the show?
This is one of the single most enjoyable experiences of life. People talk about we should go out. This is what they're talking about. This whole thing, we're all out now. No one is home.
Oh, the name of the show is The Seinfeld Chronicles? I thought it was the other thing.
Where we are. Did you read? I can't find him. Where did he go? He didn't tell me where he was going. He must have gone out. You want to go out? You get ready.
Oh,
you pick out
why
the
are we
clothes, right?
going
Take
to?
the shower, get all ready.
It's not
get the cash, get your friends, the car, the spot, the reservation.
This right, this is not
what do
in
you do?
this
You go,
episode.
you gotta be getting back.
Instead, it's really.
Once you're out, you want to get back. You want to go to sleep, you want to get up, you want to go out again tomorrow, right? Wherever you are in life, it's my feeling you've got to go.